Guys, welcome back to my channel. Yeah, I don't know, it's dark. It's dark. I don't, maybe it's because it's pretty early. Yeah, it's still very early. Like I woke up very early today. Actually my roommate called me yesterday evening. She was like that she wants to model my face. So I was like, okay, let me shoot it since she's going to model my face and show you guys how good she is. Yeah, I trust my roommate. She's very good. I've been seeing some of her updates on Instagram and WhatsApp. So I was like, okay, let me show you guys. And I'm not even the makeup type, so I decided to use the opportunity. That's it. Sorry, my face is dark. Sorry. And please, if you know you have not subscribed to my channel, I don't know what you're waiting for. Seriously, please subscribe.
So guys, I just arrived at the studio and this is my beautiful roommate. Hi. Okay, I'm going to drop her Instagram handle now. Yeah, so let's get to work, guys. So guys, you can see how pretty your girl looks. Seriously, I love the fact she's fast, very fast. Yeah, please don't forget to subscribe. Please subscribe to my channel, like, subscribe, comment. I love you guys. Bye.